This Yamaha concept is fitted with a water engine and a water pump. In other words, it just needs water to work. The Yamaha XT 500 H2O Edition is a concept made by industrial designer Maxime Lefebvre in partnership with the Iwata brand, and it pictures what motorcycles could work and look like 5 years from now. The original Yamaha XT 500 was built from 1975 to 1981 as a reliable, lightweight, multi-purpose motorcycle capable to go anywhere. It was fitted with a 4-stroke 499 cubic centimeters single-cylinder engine making 32 HP, 24 kilowatts, and 38 Nm, 28 lb-ft, of torque. Back then it was good enough to reach a top speed around 160 km per hour, 100 miles per hour.